Hey, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Steven Davidson here, and I decided to do something unique. I thought I'd go ahead and do a test lather with my new Greg Wagner Comfort Knot brush and the hardest soap in my collection, Soap Commander. It's also my top brand choice, so I thought I'd go ahead and get started and go ahead and do a test lather for you guys. So let me get started here. This oak moss and amber is awesome. Reflection. Barbasol Brisk, Skin Bracer, and Osadra pairs real well with it. Okay, I've got my water hot. That's what I do for every shave. Bloom it. It's more than enough water. Now watch this. Dunk. Now, as far as the amount of water this thing holds, it's unreal. Watch. I just dunked it in there. This thing holds more water than a silver-tip badger does. I kid you not. I've got one in there and it holds twice as much water. See, look how much water was taken out of my shave cup there. And you've seen how much I had in it. So let me go ahead and put this back in there. Like so. All right. So you don't need a whole lot of water for this, and you don't need to soak it, but I'm going to show you what I do when I shave every 2 days. Basically, I'm just doing the exact same thing that I shave 2 days, and when I get back, I'll go from there. So stand by. Let's go set the timer and bloom the soap a little bit. Okay, I'm back. It's been 5 minutes, but through the magic of a pause button, it's only been that to you guys. But I also decided to go ahead and get another puck of confidence. Carrie's least favorite. It's sweet, overly sweet honey with a hint of musk and patchouli that calms the sweetness down, but still lets it come through. Oh man, this is one of their best scents, I think. But unfortunately, she does not like it. Her personal favorite's Respect with the lima patchouli, which is just as good. I like it too. Let's see here. So I'll do this one next since this other one's already blooming. This one's going to be done dry. All right. Get reflection out of the way. This is after 5 minutes of soaking the brush. Let me show you this. Look how much water that thing takes in. I have not seen a brush take in this much water, a synthetic, ever. Okay, I've wrung it out. And I'm going to dump the bloom water. Now, you just want to use the tips, like so. No pressure, I'm just using the tips. That's all it's got on it. Now, just using the tips. Touch of water. few more drops of water. There we go. Trying to stay on camera as much as I can. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's all that's in the brush. But look at that. What little bit I loaded. You can shave with that, no problem. Soap Commander's got a lot of cushion to it, slick, and the scent. The post shave feels excellent. It's vegan. That's all I use. Pretty cool, huh? Now, let me dry my other hand here. Hands off here. And we're going to rinse out the brush. Look at this. That was what's left of the brush. And you've seen how much I loaded, folks. This thing does not take a lot. There we go. Right. So there is Soap Commander. Hook up a little bit. Bloomed. This bucket's been bloomed, so I'm going to leave it out to dry. It's been bloomed for 5 minutes. But that was Soap Commander Reflection. This is one of their seasonal scents. 2015, I believe. Don't hold me to that. I'm not real sure. I'd have to look it up to be sure, and I'm sure she would too. She being Carrie Seibert. Darren might know as well. Seibert, her husband, Soap Commander out of Alabama. So that's what I bloomed, and now I'm going to do a dry lather with another hard soap. My other hard soap's Soap Commander, and see what happens. Okay, this is Confidence. Brush is wet. Dry puck, folks. Oh, goodness. Dry puck, wet brush. Just go over the top, like so. This is for those that don't bloom their soap and want to know how it does on a dry soap. Now this is a hard puck, folks. I mean a really hard. The only thing harder than this would have to be, I'm just using the tips and a light touch. The only puck harder than this is a triple milled soap. I don't have any of those, but this is pretty darn close to it. But there's confidence. Dry puck. I have not bloomed it. Get a little water here with the brush. Now, watch. I'm just using the tips with this brush. No need for pressure. Just let the brush do its thing. A little more water. More water. A little more water. It may have been a touch too much, but I doubt it. Soap conveyor can take a lot of water. Look at that. Look at that peaks. Still a tiny bit airy, but I didn't bloom the puck. That does make a difference. But this is for those that don't bloom their puck and want to know how this brush lathers. Well, here's your answer right here. And this is with a Soap Commander puck. And these pucks are rock hard. They're pretty close to triple mil, but they're not too close to triple mil. But check it out. From my cup here, no tricks, just stand it in the cup while I rinse this puppy off. But there you go. Now we rinse this puppy off. I'm not putting a King Kong death grip or anything on there. I'm just lightly squeezing the lather out of the brush. Since it doesn't dry in here, you don't want to cross scent happening. in your brush. It could ruin your sheen, in my opinion. If you want to do a cross scent, I vote for a Franken soap. I've got one of those here from Maria Armin through the Firefine Craft. Haven't been using hers much lately, mainly because I'm about out of it. Now I'm going to show you what I do in terms of brush care. Take a hand towel like so, and just using the tips. I don't think you can see it. There we go. Ooh. And just slightly do that right there. It dries your brush, gets all the excess water out of it, and keeps it from dripping. And it fluffs out the tips are nice too. But I wish you guys could smell this soap in here. It's epic. But that was Soap Commander. Dry and bloomed. Dry and bloomed. I bloomed the open one, and I loaded this one dry. And you saw the results of the Greg Wagner 33 millimeter synthetic nut. He calls it the comfort nut. All you have to do is go on Facebook, look up Greg Wagner. I'll put the link below. Message him, and he'll hook you up with a brush. It's $39 US shipped for the one I got. I don't know if that's across the board or what. So you'll have to talk to him about which ones you want. But yeah, that, ladies and gentlemen, is how this brush lathers. Come over here. Hope I don't get in trouble for copyright deal. But I don't care. I ain't got nothing to get in trouble for. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Take care, and God bless.